Today we are in conversation with Ms. Chaitali Davangeri, the Director for Future Market Events. Last year in Pune they had a wonderful debut show, co-located show, Metal Forming as well as the Fastener show. We are about to discuss about the Metal Forming Expo which happened earlier in Pune last year. So this year, where we expecting the show and what we can expect from the show.
Hello Sharvari. Metal Forming Expo we launched in September 23 in Pune. It was a tremendous response what the exhibitors got, and we had like around 9,800 plus unique visitors who visited for all the 3 days of the show. And the show floor was buzzing like anything, and everyone were busy with the meetings. There were machines put up at the exhibition, and it was in a full demand what we had. And this year when we thought of launching it again, continuing with the show, but the only problem or the size wise we thought we should increase the exhibition area because we had a wait listing after the during the Pune edition because the show was completely sold out. So that was the reason. Now we are doing the show in May in Bombay Exhibition Center. So this will be from 16th to 18th of May. Again, Maharashtra being the hub for the metal forming industry, so we are expecting a larger number of visitors from across India. And also with the exhibitors front, we are almost 75% sold out the show. Okay. And we have got very good brands already at the exhibition, like we have laser technology, Sajanan Laser, Suresh Hindu Laser, and then we have Border Laser also participating. And talk about a different segment, that is with the press brakes, we have Hindustan Hydraulics, we have Energy Mission, we have MB Jixon, and then we have Messer Cutting, and there are all the brands you name, Bax Photonics, and they are participating at the exhibition. So there were few who were not there at the Pune edition, but with the success and with the footfall which they saw at the Pune edition, so everyone is participating in the Mumbai one.
Definitely, and again, metal forming is again a very much explored industry where now there are a lot many innovations that are coming from sheet metal to like press brakes and bending technologies. So the innovations are on its way, and these kind of shows are playing a very crucial role, I would say, in making it visible to the end buyers or users. So where we can expect Metal Forming Expo to be exploring such kind of innovations, like what new could be the buzz of an hour?
See, as I said, because if you see, there are the focus of the exhibitions with the other exhibitions. Ours is completely focused only on the metal forming, and of course the process of metal forming, which as you said, with the stamping, the blending and all. So that is the reason we thought it's better we should have another segment which goes well with the metal forming, which is the India Welding Technology. So that is the reason we are launching this year the India Welding Technology Show, wherein it will be the complete cycle of the forming. So if any company is coming, so they can source each and every product at one place itself, and that is the reason with this edition we are launching with the Welding Technology Show.
That's great. Congratulations on the
Thank you.
New launch. So welding is also another, considered to be a critical process when it comes to the manufacturing. Now that we are launching this India Welding Show as well, so that is also another segment which is growing and which is a critical process when it comes to the manufacturing. So what we can expect from the welding show?
See, as I said, we are targeting all the top brands, and definitely they will be there at the exhibition, which will include the laser welding machines as well. So who will be displaying their products, which definitely I would suggest that people can come down and see it over. And the focus with the welding show was also because we have got a lot of fabrication works especially in Maharashtra and Mumbai region, Mumbai's industrial region like Virar Vasil. So most of these welding companies would be benefited with those visitors coming in for the show. So because that is how we are also promoting across India, as I said. So definitely it will be a win-win situation for both exhibitors as well as visitors.
Right. And my last question to you would be, combining all these top brands at one place, you always manage to pull the crowd, not an issue. But my question is, like we had the visitors last time, can we expect the same kind of crowd which we had in Pune with the Mumbai market?
Yes, definitely. In fact, we will be having a more crowd than in what we had in Pune, because as I said, Mumbai is a hub. Again, with not only with the automobile or manufacturing industries, but overall when we say with the traveling, so even companies, people across India or even internationally. So Mumbai is a hub for the visiting as well. So the promotions also what we are doing in that way. Plus this year we are also going to have a buyer seller meet during the exhibition. So that is an addition which the exhibitors will be benefited. And plus we are also looking at doing kind of other promotion activities during the exhibition and before that as well. And as I said in the first thing, that this is a very focused event in metal forming, because we do have other segments like cutting and all, but being a focused exhibition on only forming, so what our strategy of marketing is completely different as for our other shows, because we do have other shows also coming up. So we do a marketing based on the segments, based on what the exhibitors are looking at, based on what the products are at the display. So that is how we plan our marketing strategy, and hopefully and definitely we will end up with all the good quality buyers at the show.
Definitely, we wish you the best for the same, and see you everybody at Metal Forming Expo, Mumbai, of course. Thank you so much.